Hi guys, so me and the girls are about to go in, there's Reagan. We're about to go in Tractor Supply and see if they have any baby chicks because I want to get some more chickens and maybe a duck. So let's go see. You want a chicken? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you want to see them? Come here, let me hold you. Oh, hold on to me, I'll lift you up. Look. What do you think? Do you want to get some?
Yeah.
Let's look at these. Oh. Look.
That one.
Look at the little ones.
I want that one.
Hmm?
Yeah, these two are different colors.
Yep.
I want a whole one.
Oh my goodness.
I want that one.
Those are the ones we used to have. But
Can
there's
I
no choice
have
for our
them?
chickens.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have one?
Yeah, we're gonna get like 6 probably.
I want more.
Y'all excited to get some chickens and ducks?
I want one.
You do?
Yeah.
You excited?
Get 6, we can get 3 ducks and 3 chickens.
To peck me in the eye.
Oh, look at this little jump out.
That's Lemony and that's Freckles. Ah! Oh!
I didn't know they could jump.
Yeah.
Come here. He's ready to get out of there. Oh my goodness.
Let's close
Look,
it.
look at me.
Hi,
Ready?
mommy. I hold him. I hold him.
Look how cute.
I hold him.
You're holding little Lemony.
Okay. He's on my back.
Oh, that's so cute.
All right, come sit on the couch and we'll hold him. Come on.
Should we bring the boxes?
No. We're just gonna hold
Wait, should I close the duck cage real quick? I need to close the duck cage. Oh, he'll jump out. I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute. Okay, don't be talking to me if this thing flies out of here. And yep, he's trying to get out. I heard his feet. I heard the duck's feet and he's trying to get out.
Hurry. I want you to see her if I can hold a duck. Let me hold it. What do you think, Reagan? Do you love it?
That's Lemony. Oh, no, don't do that. Just do it like this. He's a baby.
No.
She's a baby.
Oh.
She's trying to kiss
Don't
you.
squeeze his neck. Be easy.
She's trying to kiss you. I mean, she's trying to kiss you. Is that going to be your kind of little sister? That's her beak. Don't bite me. What color are her eyes? We don't know what genders they are, but I'm guessing this one's a girl.
You love your duckies?
Yeah, they're so cute.
You do are.
Yeah.
They
They like me.
love you.
It's okay.
Don't squeeze them too tight. Be easy.
Oh, you can. You can. The one right, the one right.
No.
Ow. It's okay, guys. It's okay.
No, that's not Goldie. This is Goldie.
It's okay. It's okay. This one's great, but with grapey. This is great. Grapey.
You are Cheep Cheep or Chick Chick. I'll name her Chick Chick. Chick Teep.
Oh, look at these two snuggling.
That's so cute.
Oh,
They just want to keep warm. None of them have pooped in there yet though.
no.
They're so tiny. They're just snuggling. They're so lucky they're so warm. I don't want to leave them. Look at little
Goldie.
Oh my God, it's okay.
No, that's this is Goldie. That's Tarantula. This is Bob or Bill. She'll have a lot of names. And I'll name her Ginger. Ginger.
Alright, so I'm going to put this in their water because this is supposed to be good for them.
So cute.
Yeah. Oh, don't drop him. Oh no.
Oh, dummy. Hold him. Oh. Gotta check it out. Check it out.